series of videos called Mini Explores, where we look at smaller sites and sometimes not railway related ones. Today we're looking at this abandoned garage at Llanrug, just outside Caernarfon. Quite an interesting one, can see all the workings here. Couple of old cars here, 85 Mini and a Capri, probably from the same sort of time period. Also some advertising here, probably from the 60s or the 70s. Esso, Take It Bryn Teg is a local campsite. From what I can see online, it seems there's still a garage car repair business operating out here, although clearly the filling station bit has been abandoned for decades. It's a really nice relic to see this. So thanks for joining me here at Llanrug. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.